Today, the 7th of February 2021, the Commissioner and Secretary, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, Government of Meghalaya, reviewed the situation of increased prices of petrol and diesel in the state and decided to offer a rebate of Rs2 per litre from the tax component of the retail sale price of petrol and diesel. This will be effective from the midnight of 8 February 2021.
Today evening, under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, we had a VC meeting with the concerned officers, including Chief Secretary, and taking into consideration the issue of the abnormal hike in prices of diesel and petrol. Then the government has decided that the price of diesels and petrol will be reduced to 2 rupees. 2 rupees with effect from 8 midnight. Monday midnight, notification will come out and it will reduce by 2 rupees per litre, both diesel and petrol. Number 2, this decision taken under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, comparing also the price that has increased in Meghalaya, which is even little higher than Assam. So therefore, this decision is taken today evening, and I would like to request all the concerned stakeholders to cooperate with the government, and those indefinite strike called by the Joint Action Committee, we would request them to suspend it immediately.